Hey everyone, David the Infoman here, and welcome to my Listify review. Now, inside of this review of Listify, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you inside the members area and the sales page, the upsells, all the funnel, and most importantly, the custom bonuses that I have for you. Now, my bonuses are custom because I'm creating them and no one else has this kind of information because I'm the one who created these bonuses. And these are all going to be traffic bonuses. They're going to teach you how to get traffic in order to use Listify. Now let's go ahead and talk about what is Listify. So Listify is a software that gives you 20 done-for-you custom WordPress plugins that you can give away as bonuses or entice people to come onto your email list. And inside those custom WordPress plugins, they actually allow you to connect your autoresponder to them so you can build your list automatically every single time somebody downloads and uses that WordPress plugin. So I hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead now and dive into Listify. So this is the members area right here of Listify. We're going to go over this in just a sec. First, let's go over the sales page. So the sales page says, discover this unique twist we use to build cash generating email list into 53,788 subscribers by giving away free software. So essentially what they're doing is they're using this software and giving it away as bonuses and collecting leads automatically through the software because the software integrates with your autoresponder. So it's all cloud-based. Everything is hosted inside the cloud. It's completely newbie friendly. All you have to do is connect whatever autoresponder that you have, and then you just download or you give away. It has custom landing pages already built in for these WordPress plugins, so you don't have to build a landing page or anything like that. You just give them away. So here's the sales video. You can scroll down. You can check out all the different information on this sales page. There's a lot of good stuff. So on your own time, come over here and check it out. Now, in order to get to this sales page, all you're gonna have to do is click on the link down below this video inside the description, and it'll take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. And then if you click on any of these green buttons, it'll take you back to the sales page, which we were just looking at. So here is the bonus page that I have created, and we're gonna go over my custom bonuses right now. So if you scroll down, you'll see here at the bottom all my custom bonuses. Bonus number one, I'm gonna teach you how to get traffic from YouTube, specifically ranking YouTube videos with advanced SEO strategies. So this is what I do all the time on my YouTube channels that I own. This is a highly valuable bonus. It's video step-by-step that I created. You're gonna love that one. Bonus number two is advanced YouTube hacks. So this is a step-by-step system that I use in order to rank my videos that I don't show anybody else except for inside this specific bonus. You're not gonna find this stuff anywhere else because big time YouTube channels are using this software, and I'm gonna show you all about it in bonus number two. Bonus number three, I'm gonna teach you how to get traffic from Quora. So I'm gonna teach you how to basically rank your answers to a bunch of different Quora questions, and then you can go ahead and give out those WordPress plugins by answering questions and ranking them with my Quora strategy in bonus number three. Bonus number four, I'm gonna teach you how to get people to click on your links via Facebook. So this is gonna teach you how to build a buyer's list for free and get tons of affiliate clicks to your affiliate links from Facebook for free. Bonus number five is Instagram hacks. So this is gonna teach you how to build up a profitable Instagram account and then use that for affiliate marketing to send people to those done-for-you WordPress plugins in order to build your list on autopilot. Now, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for Listify, so you can try it out. If you don't like it, you can get your money back. And that would be my bonus page right there. All of the traffic strategies that I'm showing you and teaching you in my bonuses are all free, so you don't have to actually pay for any of these. It's all free traffic. Now, let's go ahead and dive into Listify a bit more. So here is the members area of Listify. This is what you're gonna be greeted with when you pick up Listify. Now, you can go here to form configuration. This is where I would go first. And this is where you go ahead and you set your heading and you set your subheading. You set your sign up button. This is all for the landing pages. And I can show you what a landing page looks like right here inside of packages. So these are all of the different plugins that you can give away. So let's go with this one right here. You choose your account. This would be your account for your autoresponder, and then you would go choose your list that you want it to go to. click on landing page, and there you go. So you're going to be editing what those landing pages look like in form configuration. So your heading will be right here, and then you can do your subheading, which is going to be right here. And then of course, you can customize your sign up buttons. Now this is the account section where you go ahead and you add your autoresponder account. You just click on connect new account, and it's as simple as just going through the steps of adding a new autoresponder account to the web-based software. Now packages like I just showed you, these are all the different plugins that you are going to get for free. These are all 20 custom built WordPress plugins, and they automatically connect with your autoresponder and build your list on autopilot. So you have the box art, which is just their picture there, so you can place that in different areas that you want people to see. Then you have your landing pages, which we looked at previously. And then you have your download button where you can actually download and set it up and make a tutorial on your own WordPress website by downloading it right there. So these are all the different plugins that you actually get inside of Listify. So you have affiliate coupons, you have a banner ad creator, you have easy affiliate links, a bunch of different ones, prize draws, switch pages, auto affiliate links. So YouTube subscribe, so you could put a YouTube subscribe plugin onto your WordPress website to build up your YouTube subscribers. Google page speed, page views, so if you want people to see how many people have actually viewed your specific blog post, you're going to get that right there in that WordPress plugin. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the other stuff. So this is where you can actually search for different plugin packages. You can right here, so all of this goes together. Here is the training, so you can go in to the separate training section. You get all the training on how to use Listify in that area right there. Now this is the support, so you can go ahead and give any support questions that you have to the vendors. So if you're curious about anything or you can't figure anything out, that's where you're going to go for your support. And then lastly, you do have the private Facebook group that you can join. I'm not logged in right now, so that's not going to work out very well, but you do have that Facebook group right there that you can join. So that is all of the members area that is included inside of Listify. Now let's go ahead and finish up by talking about the upsells and the funnels. So the front end of Listify is $27, but there's an early bird for $24.95 for the first 6 hours of the launch. Now this gives you all the custom built WordPress plugins that you can give away on autopilot to build your list. Everything that's included, so the training and all that is included in the front end. Now Listify Pro is $67, but there's also a downsell for $47, so I'm saving you some money right there. So this is giving you all of the Pro features. This allows you to basically give away 51,000 plus WordPress plugins from the WordPress repository. So basically you're allowed to give away any kind of WordPress plugin and also build your list at the same time. The downsell for $47 only gives you one landing per download page. So not as many landing pages to correspond with all those WordPress plugins. Now OTO number 2 is Steal My Bonuses for $97, but there is a downsell for $47. So basically with this one, you are getting done for you bonuses from the vendors. So this is actually more custom built, highly valuable bonuses that you're going to get right here. So if you really plan on doing launch jacking or running some kind of campaign for a product that's launching, then you definitely want OTO number 2 with those custom bonuses that actually have generated all of this money right here, 200,000 gross income from these vendors. So OTO number 3 is Underground Affiliate System for $97, but there is a downsell for $47, but the affiliate module is removed in that downsell. And basically, this is Richard and Paul's Done For You funnel and follow-up series. So they're going to give you emails to actually email in a follow-up series to all the people who download all those different WordPress plugins accordingly. So all kinds of good stuff there to basically earn more money in the back end of your promotions. Now, lastly, OTO number 4 is Smart Content Match. This is $97, but there's a downsell for $47. And this is a cloud-based app that lets you search for up to 1 minute of content and use that content on your blogs. So basically you can edit, schedule multiple blogs in minutes, and you can build up your affiliate blogs with automatically creating blog content. So highly valuable bonus right there if you're into blogging. So that is the full funnel for Listify. And if you are curious at all, or if you're interested in checking out my bonuses, remember all you have to do is click on the link down below this video inside the description. It'll take you to my bonus page, and then all you have to do is click on any of those green buttons, and those green buttons will take you back to the sales page, which we went over previously. So I'm David the Infoman. Thank you for checking out my Listify review. I will see you next time.